I have to mention that ITMA is fortunate to have strong supporters and generous sponsors like Hansaben Mehta, due to which ITMA has been able to sustain its development and growth since its inception from 1943 on its own efforts. This has also helped ITMA in organizing technological development events, whereby this series is an integral part of the same, which will be further supported by BK Mehta Modern Virtual Library and BK Mehta Technology Networking Mission. Friends, we all are once again facing the second wave of Corona, and it reminds me the dynamic and encouraging slogan, "Show must go on," given by our immediate past president, Mr. Chandresh Shah, during the first wave of Corona in the beginning of his tenure in the month of March 2020. It has made a tremendous impact among ITMA staff, and we were able to record a historical milestone of organizing more than 15 webinars followed by this series in a year, which were well responded and well supported by all of you. Today we have with us newly elected President Mr. Dijen Mehta, who has recently taken charge since 1st April 2021, and we are eager and enthusiastic to hear from his in his welcome speech his slogan for his tenure 21-22, which is forcing us to perform a new normal life. We will be having a welcome speech by our president, which will be followed by the presentation by Mr. Kirti Rathod, our president and chairman of the ITMA Award Subcommittee, as well as whole-time director of Deluxe Bearing Private Limited. Now, may I request our president, Mr. Dijen Mehta, to please deliver his welcome speech. Thank you. I think Dijen Bhai,
Unmute your.
Dijen Bhai is on mute.
Yes.
Sorry. Thank you, Mr. Matre. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon to you. It is my distinct honor and high privilege to welcome you all of you to the fourth webinar of Kaizen, a competitive success under the BK Mehta Memorial Lecture Series. ITMA has taken this initiative, this series of webinar based on Lean and its benefits to help the members and to textile engineering as a whole in the strengthening that technological base which shall help in sustaining in the global competitive market. During this webinar, our past president and chairman, Award Subcommittee ITMA, Mr. Kirti Rathod will speak on Kaizen, a key competitive success. On behalf of Mr. On behalf of ITMA, I welcome Mr. Kirti Rathod and thank him for being actively involved in all these webinars. Thank you.
May I request Mr. Kirti Bhai to please proceed with your presentation. Thank you.
Okay, right. So, am I audible?
Yes.
Kirti Bhai, you're
okay, good. Right. Yeah. Well,
yes,
good
Kirti Bhai, yes.
Okay, good. Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are meeting under a very, very dramatically different situation compared to our third week March 2021 meeting. Unfortunately, there is a large outbreak of COVID, and the only thing that we can do is stay safe and keep others safe. I think that's the only thing we can do. So let's follow more of the principles of COVID rules that have been implemented. And as our past chairman said, the show will never stop. The show must go on. I'm happy to inform you there is an additional dimension in our program. Starting the 2nd of May, the first Wednesday of every month, we will have a 45-minute program, 4 o'clock to 4:45 p.m. And during this time, it will be just an open house dialogue, no PPT presentations. Myself, Praveen Bhai, and Ms. Nathini will be too happy to listen to you and learn from what we can do. Whatever are the queries that you have of the previous 3 webinars, which were customer relationship and 1S and total employee involvement and Kaizen, whatever homework you would like us to do and to freshen up your learning, we would be too happy to learn from the questions that you have, and we will reply you as much as we can. And the best way to make this interesting would be that 2 days before the day, it's the first Wednesday of every month, starting the 2nd of May. I'd like you to send your questions to Mr. Matre, so at least we know that there is homework going on and there is more homework for Kirti to do. Now we go to the program. I'll just give you a little bit background. The book Kaizen, Key to Competitive Success, was written by Mr. Masaki Imai. He worked.
Sorry to interrupt, but थोड़ा हिंदी भी प्रयोग करना, हमारे यहाँ से काफी लोग जुड़े हुए हैं.
ओके, आई सी. हिंदी भी चाहिए. आई सी.
ये होगा तो
नहीं, वो तो हो जाएगा, सब कुछ हो जाएगा, एंड थोड़ा मिक्स करना पड़ेगा. ओके.
यस.
ओके. तो या सो द काइजेन की पुस्तक जो है वो मिस्टर मासाकी इमाई ने लिखी है. वो 30 साल टोयोटा में काम किया और पहली बार उसने काइजेन का चेहरा हमको दिखाया है. और द explanation of Kaizen versus what we know and what Mr. Imai tells us is far, far different. And that is the reason why मैंने ये पुस्तक आपको दिलवा दी है. ये complete पुस्तक 230 पाना है, जिनमें से I have selected 45 slides to give you a glimpse of the depth of Kaizen, you know. And surprisingly, you will see the word open, close, continual improvement is very, very less mentioned in Mr. Imai's book compared to what we have been told by the Westerners of Kaizen means continuous change. You know. I think it is, it's much, much more than change. It is a transformation of ourselves. You know. So that's what we will do. And now, today, there are already 55 slides, but I would perhaps go only through the first 30 or 40, because I would like that, you know, let us understand Kaizen in depth, because I know this book is a full Japanese version. ये पुस्तक जो है पूरी Japanese पुस्तक है, और हम लोग ने वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड ने सिर्फ काइजन का जो भी 2 शब्द सिखाया है वो बहुत कम है. इसके लिए मैंने कहा कि अप्रैल और मई दोनों बार हम लोग काइजन की बातचीत करेंगे. In May, I will bring 1 or 2 speakers from Kaizen who are Deming Award winners from Japan. They are Sundaram Brake Linings and Rane Madras. So they have done Kaizen in depth. You know. Now, one of the most surprising thing, though American, Mr. Deming or Mr. Juran, वो लोग चेंज में बहुत मानते थे, लेकिन अमेरिकन बोलते हैं कि नहीं इसका चेंज हमको ठीक नहीं लगता है. So Mr. Deming and Mr. Juran, they went to Japan in the early 40s, and from 1940 till 1960 they taught so much to the Japanese. And the Toyota Japanese systems or Toyota production systems are largely based on inputs received by Toyota from Juran and Deming, and then they have customized it for themselves. So now, Mr. Gowde, let's go to the first slide, please. All
Okay,
right,
sir.
next.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. So over here, obviously,
Sorry,
this is,
कीर्ति भाई again.
yeah.
आप ये
Sorry.
slide फिर share करने वाले हो या तो हमें
I
उसका
think नहीं, yes, definitely आपकी पूरी पुस्तक मिलने वाली है 100%.
ओके तो मैं उसका अभी स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं लेता हूँ आप मुझे देने वाले हो ऐसा समझ
नहीं, it is already given.
I think, sorry to interrupt, I think in circular we have already provided it, but once again I will resend it.
This is the latest version. So we will circulate this one also as such.
Okay,
I think in this slide, the most important thing is we must honor the late Mr. Masaki Imai. Second, we must honor late Mr. B.K. Mehta. And I would also say something special. I am here because Bhailal Bhai was encouraging me hell of a lot not to sit in my air-conditioned cabin. He said, go to the ground floor and see what's going on and learn from outside your office. I'm so happy. That's why I would like to say thank you to all of them. The publishing rights are with McGraw-Hill, and it's obvious that I don't need to say the last two sentences, but it's important to write it. Next. Yeah, this is the cover of the book. It's Kaizen, and the title is The Key to Competitive Success. Next. Yeah, I think when we are very, very serious, this book really tells you what is Kaizen. And I have customized this book and this edition because I thought it's important to present it to you the way I looked at it. Now, you see the slide will be journey and benefits of Kaizen, which is a short slide. But this is very important. Look at the hierarchy. There are 4 layers from top management right to the shop floor. All of them are given roles of what they should do and involve themselves. Very important, there's a difference in the Japanese or American perception जो है कि हमारा काम क्या है. There are बहुत different है. Japanese ऐसे सोचते हैं ये हमारा काम है और American वाले short sighted वाले हैं. So this is important. Again, Japanese versus Western perception of high and low technology. Japanese वाले के लिए technology high and low क्या है और American वाले मतलब English speaking world largely influenced by Americans has a different perception of high and low technology. पीछे CEO has a problem solving approach. That's very important. जब भी top management का problem solving approach दिया है तो automatically it goes down the line how to do problem solving. Next, Kaizen versus innovation. ये पुस्तक, ये slides आप पढ़ेंगे तो आप पागल हो जाएंगे क्योंकि हमको जो Kaizen है और innovation जो है is very, very different. पीछे PDCA, plan, do, check, act. इसका भी 3 नतीजा है क्योंकि there is iteration. It has changed over many, many years. And now, of course, this will be very important, the areas. The first part would be the background where top management takes important role, how to communicate the roles, how to communicate job functions, how to communicate high and low technology, and how to solve problems. How the difference between Kaizen and innovation. So in the early part of our training, once we give our training to our people on these fronts up to page 20, mentally we become ready to accept Kaizen. क्योंकि पाना जो है 5 से 20, ये पूरा 4 different subject है जिनमें से पहले हम वो पढ़ेंगे, पीछे काइजन की पढ़ाई कर सकेंगे as such. Then next page, of course, is Kaizen, the practice, and Kaizen, how are the suggestions received and what are the rewards given. ये भी बहुत important है. और यहाँ एक sheet है, दो sheet है, deluxe Kaizen sheet, कैसे सीखा और Kaizen कैसे किया. There are examples of how Deluxe Bearings has done it. And then hierarchy of governing body, this is a little bit heavy. Piche, this is very important. Kaizen cross-functional working. Very important that different people in the company like R&D, sales, marketing, production, design, all of them have a role to play in Kaizen. And then you get live examples of Komatsu, one of the world's largest earth moving equipment manufacturer. We get their story and then employee involvement at Komatsu. So we learn real examples, not only theory. And then of course, ultimately, हम लोग ने जब ये सब किया है, कंपनी की कल्चर चेंज करने के लिए ऐसे सोचे कि कम से कम 3 या 4 साल लगेगा. लेकिन जब ये कल्चर चेंज हो जाती है, then you get long-term benefits. Then last we have the benefits of Kaizen, and then there is a summary of Kaizen journey. And in my lively wisdom, I have given 2 examples of improvements I feel are possible. So we can now go to the next slide now. This is a summary of the earlier one, so we'll skip this because yeah, correct. We can skip this also. Yeah, we skip, correct, skipped. Yeah, next. Yeah, all these slides are in detail of the book. We start with this one. Yeah, next please. Now in this slide, what you will see is there is a top management, there's the middle management and a supervisor and a worker. What I would like to bring to your attention is there is ये है carry forward. जो top management बोलते हैं, middle management कैसे करेंगे? जो middle management बोलते हैं, वो supervisor कैसे करेंगे? और supervisor बोलते हैं worker. ये chart में I have seen that Kaizen as a corporate strategy in the top left of top management. Kaizen allocates resources. Then Kaizen is cross-functional. And Kaizen deploys audit. So these are the top management. ये top management का काम है. लेकिन मैंने एक चीज देखा है, building systems is part of Kaizen. जब भी हम लोग next, when we go to middle management, I have seen the role of middle management is to continue to deploy the cross-functional management suggested by top management, and also to and then the middle management, they give you functional capabilities, they upgrade the standards, and they do conscious intensive training. So this is an example where middle management is doing something what top management has told them to do, but over and above that, they put in their own skills by conscious training to the employee and problem solving. Now we go to supervisor. Supervisor, they get a continuity के functional roles suggested by top management and middle management भी वही करता है. पीछे supervisor जो Kaizen is providing guidance to worker, वो supervisor ने दिया था, middle management. लेकिन supervisor ने 3 नई चीज बनाई है, improving communication with workers and improving morale. Small छोटी group activity वो भी है, और factory में disciplining workshop और Kaizen के suggestion. तो supervisor ने 2 चीज अगले middle management में से सीखी है, लेकिन वो लोग भी 3 नई चीज लेके आते हैं. पीछे आप वर्कर के पास चाहिए. वर्कर, he engages it's small group activity, he's practicing discipline, and those are what the supervisor have taught. Lekin worker is doing something more. He is becoming a problem solver, and he is enhancing his skills and job performance. This chart, if you ask me, is one of the summaries I would say that you can see all of us have to do something, but also we have to learn something. Top management has told them to do this, so middle management does it, but middle management also does something new. Then it continues to supervisors and workers. This is something that when you ask somebody cross deployment, this is the easiest example, because even a worker is so important to us. हमारे लिए सब चार कंपनी के लेयर है, टॉप मैनेजमेंट भी है, मिडिल मैनेजमेंट भी है, हमारा सुपरवाइजर भी है और वर्कर। चारों चार चीज को इकट्ठा रहना है तो ही हमारी कंपनी कैज़न सीख सकेगी और बढ़ सकेगी। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। And please be clear, this slide has about 55 pages. I am not in a hurry. I'm going to do only about 30 slides this time. I want to hear something from you people on the 2nd of May. The book is with you. And in the 3rd week of May, I will continue something and we will have some good speakers also. Next slide, please. Mr. Gowde.
It's okay, no?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Correct. Over here, this slide, I will देखो. Okay. इस पे टॉप मैनेजमेंट भी है, पीछे ग्रुप और इंडिविजुअल। अभी कैज़न ऐसे चीज है, नॉट एक तो टॉप मैनेजमेंट भी करता है, लेकिन अपनी ग्रुप भी कर सकती है। मतलब डिपार्टमेंट में 3 या 4 आदमी इकट्ठा होते हैं तो दे डू इट टुगेदर। एंड लास्ट इंडिविजुअल। So this is a message that Kaizen is done at management - group - individual level. So ऐसा नहीं है कि it is a one person only doing it. One person does it, then he does it with 4 people as part of a group, and they do it as part of the larger part of the organization. So you can see there are achievements and then supporting systems, and there is implementation cost. Over here, what we learn is there are different ways, because if you see the extreme left, achievement is important, supporting system बहुत important है, and the cost of implementing and the result. Now look at this. In achievement, group Kaizen does 2 or 3 per year, but individuals can do many. Supporting system, there is small group activities, there are quality circles, and there's suggestion. Kaizen, the most important is least input, maximum output. That is very, very important. ऐसा नहीं कि करोड़ रुपया नहीं, आप with 1 paise, with 1 rupee, you can make a change. This is what we learn in Kaizen. And the result, see, you can have a new system and facility improvement. That's a big expenditure, but just look at the middle management. Improve work procedure, revision of standard, and the individual on the spot improvement. Each a booster. It is basically about learning and improving the morale of individuals and groups. And direction. Top management gives direction, and middle management and junior management execute. So in this, we learn that there are different ways of doing it, and there are different people doing it, and what are the costs and what is the outcome. Next. Okay. Now over here again, I go to the left. There are tools. यहाँ there is one section of the book which will teaches you 7 old tools and 7 new tools. And I will quickly read some of them. But as we know, Pareto, histogram, bar charts, circle charts, these are some of the older tools. And then the newer tools, they are like the arrow diagram, then infinity and relations diagram. So there are old and new tools. Piche, who is involved? Managers and professionals, small groups, individuals. And then what are the targets? Targets are large targets and even small targets. And time of duration. Some last 4 months and some can be done every day. So this is to show you that Kaizen is merely a lifelong effort. आज आप 1 घंटे के लिए भी काम कर सकते हैं और आप पूरी लाइफ में भी काइजेन कर सकते हैं. Next. This is very important because see the title of this: Japanese versus Western perception of job function. This is really something to look for. If you see the top people and middle management, only 35% is spent for innovation. And then you can see middle management, supervisor and workers, they spend nearly 45% to 50%. But they are doing Kaizen. And the last, right, you can see maintenance. This is whatever we have introduced, you must sustain it. ये जो है, मैंने जो कहा कि भाई improve करो, तो आज नहीं, पूरी लाइफ हमको improve, वो ही improvement करना है, तो उसका भी maintenance करना पड़ता है. And you look at the next chart. Western perception. सिर्फ big boss और middle management innovation करेंगे, और वो बोलते हैं कि supervisor और worker गधे हैं. Sorry for saying it, but this is what the Western world teaches us. अरे ये लोग सब गधे हैं, वो सिर्फ मेंटेनेंस करेंगे. Now, can you imagine? Look at the Kaizen. I will show you one company, Sundam Brake Linings. In 1 year, they had 3,400 Kaizen. And do you know how many people are there in Sundaram? Just 250 people. So can you imagine? Every person has given more than 12 Kaizen. Can you imagine the power of Kaizen? Next. और यहाँ देखो, sorry, Japanese perceptions, no, and this is, last is innovation-centered job function. This is something that I would like to add, but I have not read this too well, because innovation and maintenance, they go hand in hand. But let's forget about this. I can't explain this to you very well, so I'll go back and do some homework. Next. Okay. Yeah, sorry. Okay, now see this versus a Western way. The Japanese says close to 50% of even top management is doing improvement, and top management is doing only 20% maintenance. As you go down the lower hierarchy, there is more work. इनमें से क्या है? Kaizen, innovation and improvement, वो 3 शब्द है. लेकिन जापानीज की आंख जो है, पहले आप मेंटेन करो, जब मेंटेन हो जाएगा तो ही आपका इंप्रूवमेंट हो जाएगा. ये है जापानीज वे ऑफ लुकिंग एट जॉब फंक्शंस. नेक्स्ट प्लीज. Okay. Now this is something very important. We are now in a new slide. The new slide, the previous 3 slides was Kaizen versus innovation. Now this slide is about Japanese versus Western perception of high and low technology. Now see the beauty. From American point of view, Western perception is high technology, and then the technology is oriented innovation, and they say it is an innovative product. For a Japanese, low technology, low investment, but people, they believe that people can do it. And then you get a Kaizen oriented product, because it is more suited for what we can use in our day-to-day life. An innovative product, sorry to say it, is Apple is making a bloody fool of all of us. I don't buy an Apple product. I will never buy. And you see Kaizen. It is simple car. Maybe you look at Maruti. All of us can afford it. It's a simple car as such. More needed for the local people as such. And up there, see this. High technology and technology-oriented Kaizen. Over here, of course, this is a Japanese product perception, because yes, Japanese also do high technology. So then they have in high technology, they do innovation. And for a certain part, they will do Kaizen. But for low technology, they will do it people-oriented and Kaizen-oriented. ये जो है इनमें से जापानीज की आंख में से हाई टेक्नोलॉजी के लिए वो लोग नया प्रोडक्ट बनाएंगे, लेकिन लो टेक्नोलॉजी करना है तो वो पीपल इन्वॉल्वमेंट करेंगे और ये पीपल के सिंपल प्रोडक्ट बनाएंगे. तो वो दोनों चीज करते हैं, लेकिन with a different eye. They do high technology product. आपने bullet train was first introduced in the early 70s, after which France started with the French TGV. Japanese came out with the bullet train in 1970, and then the French people came up with it, and in 10 years later, Germans came out with it. So that's an example of what games are being played in the world. Next, please. Okay, this is something that we have to learn and learn, because believe me, and all of us think high quality के लिए देखो हमको एक Rolls Royce लेनी है तो मेरा Rolls Royce का खर्चा बहुत बढ़ जाएगा और मुझे large lot high production cost का large lot लेना पड़ेगा in which the production is lower and workers do not need to be taken into account. But look at the Japanese eye. Higher quality leads to lower costs, but smaller lot lead to lower cost. क्योंकि वो नहीं बोलते हैं कि millions में बनाना है, वो बोलते हैं कि भाई आप 5 पीस भी बना सकते हैं और lower cost. लेकिन main चीज, a thinking worker is a productive worker. A Western eye thinks, no, machines will do everything. Sorry. And Japanese says, no, the worker will make the machine that will do everything. So a thinking worker creates a good machine, and then automatically that machine will be very, very productive as such. You know? तो यहाँ देखो वर्कर को कितना इम्पोर्टेंस दिया गया है. That is something हमको ये याद रखना है कि जापानीज की आंखों में worker is very, very important. Next slide. और my friend, मेरा हिंदी और इंग्लिश चलता है या कि नहीं? मतलब समझ सकते हैं या नहीं भाई साहब? Hello, can somebody?
काफी समझ में आ रहा है.
हाँ.
Still थोड़ा ज्यादा हिंदी प्रयोग करेंगे तो और अच्छा रहेगा.
Okay, try करें.
Excellent, Kirti bhai. We will try to translate it into Hindi.
Yes.
We are recording your English and let us take some efforts. Okay.
चलो अभी next slide. अभी देखो यहाँ अपना okay, the pattern for innovation. ये एक मिनट, पहले 1 minute, let me see. Okay. Okay, हाँ, okay. All right. We will not this thing. See, ideal pattern. हाँ, देखो innovation ऐसा है. Ideal pattern कि it rises very very fast, then it stays for short time and again rises very very fast. लेकिन यहाँ ऐसा बनाया है that it is a little bit combination of पहले innovation करो और थोड़ा टाइम के लिए वो मेंटेन करो, पीछे वापस innovation करो. Next slide. Yeah. Now, see this. This is a Japanese innovation in itself. जिनमें से coffee combination of innovation plus Kaizen. इसमें देखो पहले extreme left innovation तो is done. पीछे there are two things happening. Certain of us will maintain the same standard and वो लोग Kaizen करेंगे. लेकिन few of us will improvise on the original innovation and they will raise the standard. पीछे थोड़ा टाइम के बाद वापस ठक शेयर मार्केट की वजह से एक इनोवेशन करवा दिया. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा किया है मिस्टर शाह के बुल जो भी है वो रेजिंग बुल, वो हमारे लिए सोचता है कि चलो भाई एक ठका ठक इनोवेशन करवा देंगे, स्टॉक मार्केट 1000 का 10,000 करवा देंगे. सही है. आफ्टर दैट some of us will maintain the standard and some will improvise the standard as such. And if you see, this is very important from a Japanese eye. यहाँ R&D वाले और टेक्नोलॉजी वाले और आधे डिजाइन वो लोग इनोवेशन करेंगे, लेकिन सेम टाइम में प्रोडक्शन वाले और मार्केटिंग टीम वाले काइजन करेंगे. तो this is the figure shows which department focuses on innovation and Kaizen, making it company wide. और इसमें very important, Kaizen and innovation go hand in hand. It's not that it's not that Prashant will do only innovation because he is a guru in that, and Kirti is a shop floor worker, so he will go to the shop floor and improve productivity of the machine. Nahin. Prashant is also doing something and Kirti is also doing. Then both of us are sitting in the evening exchanging ideas how to improvise on Kaizen and innovation simultaneously, concurrently. इनमें से R&D वाले और टेक्नोलॉजी वाले और डिजाइन इनोवेशन करेंगे और यहाँ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग टीम और मार्केटिंग टीम काइजन करेंगे. ये दोनों चीज एक ही कंपनी में हो सकती है, लेकिन मुझे सोचना है एप्पल ये चीज नहीं करता है. एप्पल को काइजन का कुछ मालूम नहीं, वो ठका ठक हमको गधे बनाते हैं और 3-3 महीने में नया प्रोडक्ट निकालता है. वो सर इनोवेशन करता है और हमारा पैसा चूस लेते हैं. चलो आगे नेक्स्ट. अभी this is a comparison of innovation and Kaizen. I think I will not read it, but you can just see there's creativity, individualism, specialist, attention to create leaps, technology, and so and so. And Kaizen nahi hai. The suggestion I would like to give you is the larger number of people in Japan have an equal amount of spending power compared to America. There are only 50 Americans who control the whole of America and half the world. Only 50 Americans. Not so in Japan. In Japan, there may be Japan's population is roughly 80 million people. There can be about 3 to 4 million people who, yes, control, but there are 66 million who have an equal spending power as such. So there is a distribution of wealth in Japan is much, much more than practically anywhere in the world. जापान में आप देखेंगे तो कितना पैसा जो है जो इक्वली सबके पास है. अमेरिका में ऐसे नहीं है. अमेरिका में सिर्फ 50 अमेरिकन पूरी दुनिया को कंट्रोल करते हैं और अमेरिका में 300 मिलियन में से कम 30 मिलियन पीपल आर इतना पुअर है. दे आर पुअर equal to Indian standards, 30 million people, that is 10%, So the power of Kaizen in wealth distribution is something that many people will not tell you, but Kirti will tell you because it's his job to tell you what most people will not tell you as such. Next. Abhi, this is how to do Kaizen. We are going slowly because the earlier part मैंने जो बताया है, that was more of, I would say, the concept of management, job functions, Kaizen, innovation. Now, this is, we come to, I could say you can call this as the, let's say the second floor. First we were on the third floor of the house. Now we are on the second floor. Because planning, doing, checking, action. We have been told about PDCA. लेकिन जापानीज वाले बोलते हैं प्लानिंग कौन करेगा, वो मैनेजमेंट करेगा. मतलब टॉप मैनेजमेंट एंड मिडिल मैनेजमेंट. पीछे डूइंग कौन करेगा, वो वर्कर करेगा. चेकिंग कौन करेगा, इंस्पेक्टर, मतलब वो सुपरवाइजर है. और पीछे
Kirti bhai, your sound is muted. Hello. Kirti bhai. Hello.
आवाज चला गया कीर्ति भाई.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Yes, please tell me.
Yeah, continue.
Hello, does
Continue.
yeah, okay. Yeah. Next.
आप म्यूट हुए थे.
Sorry?
आप म्यूट हुए थे, अभी सुनने आ रहा है. ओके.
Okay, I'm sorry. Please continue.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now is it better, Rajesh? Okay. Next slide, please.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Now ये देखो, ये iteration number 2. देखो, planning, management, लेकिन ये नई चीज है. Doing जो worker है, उनका भी PDCA बन गया है. See the beauty of Kaizen. I never learned this anywhere. Worker भी PDCA करता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो सिर्फ doing करेगा. नहीं. वो PDCA worker भी करता है. पीछे आगे जाइए. Checking, see this. Even management is checking. Earlier, only inspector were checking. This time, even management is checking. And then action, management. So, see, worker and supervisor are doing more work because of learning how to improvise. Next. और तीसरा में देखो, planning. हाँ, अभी नई चीज आ गई है. पहले सिर्फ वर्कर करता था. नाउ वर्कर का ग्रुप एक्सपैंड होके क्वालिटी सर्कल हो गया है, जिनमें से 5 people in the same department, they become a quality circle and they are doing individually. From individual, it has also added, not only extracted. Worker is doing individual PDCA, but now quality circle is created and they do a PDCA as such. And then checking and action. Now, I would like to take a 5-minute break, please. So please excuse me. I will join you in 5 minutes. Please excuse me. 1 minute.
Hello.
So good evening, I'm back. And the learning from these 3 slides is there is a role for all of us. You know, ऐसा नहीं कि it is only somebody else will do it. No, Kaizen is involving 4 layers of management. Next. Okay, so this is an extract that Kaizen suggestions are received for all these things. So they have very, very large way of looking at the world. One of the things, safety. Safety is a very high priority in Japan. Worker safety, machine safety, factory safety, घर का safety, सब चीज के लिए safety बहुत important है. और पीछे working, quality improvement, reduction in manpower, saving materials. और यहाँ जो नहीं लिखा है, saving the environment, very, very important. Of course, Japan is one of the largest contributors to the largest contributors to the ozone creation or the ozone destruction. So automatically, they want to pay the price by asking all of us to be safe and save the environment. But that's always something we can learn from. Next. Yeah, and yahan it's very, very important to read the title on the top. Japanese companies, most important. First, they want to build pride. I am a Japanese. I am an Indian. Next, then I work for Deluxe Bearings. I work for Siddhi Engineering. I work for Rabatex, and I work for Gamatex. Company pride, very, very important. And they give you reward for process, effort, and end result. So there is reward for everything. जिनमें से जापानीज कंपनी बोलते हैं कि जो वो उसका देश के लिए अच्छा सोचेगा, वो सही आदमी है, वो सही इंडियन है. वो जो उसकी कंपनी के लिए राबाटेक्स, गामाटेक्स, प्रशांत, सिद्धि इंजीनियरिंग, वो बोलेंगे ये मेरी कंपनी है, तो बोलेगा ये सही आदमी है. दूसरा, जापानीज कंपनीज आपको आपकी मेहनत और आपका नतीजा दोनों के लिए रिवॉर्ड देते हैं. और जो नॉन जापानीज कंपनीज जो है वो आपको गिफ्ट देगा या पैसा देगा. और यहाँ आप पढ़ो, प्रेसिडेंट का भी अवार्ड जापानीज कंपनी से मिलते हैं. ऐसे सोचो कि हम लोग ordinary worker can get a prize from the president of the company. And then there is committee awards, ideas award, and grade A and so on. So everybody has a chance to get recognized for the work done. सर आदमी के लिए जिसने मेहनत किया है उसको वो कंपनी का चेयरमैन उसको recognize करेगा. Next. Okay, this I will I'll not go through it because I expect that everybody is there. But you see, yahan most important is for Kaizen, they train you, they motivate you, and at the individual level you are trained and motivated. After that, a group leader, he will help you to submit a suggestion, implement a suggestion, and then reward, And over here, very important is, जो भी suggestion दे रहा है, उसको सब suggestion लेना ही है, और एक suggestion bank, idea bank में उनकी चिट्ठी, उसका पाना हम लोग idea bank में लगा देंगे. पीछे हम लोग we train the worker कैसे लिखना है और simple idea कैसे देखना है. पीछे जो भी difficulties है, we try and explain the people how to overcome the difficulty, how to achieve the target. पीछे competition हो जाती है, games हो जाता है, जिनमें से थोड़ा interest हो जाता है, and then people are informed when ideas are accepted and implemented. Next. This is an example, but before I go on to this, I don't know, but let me try my best. I hope, is this book visible? I'm sure it is visible, correct? Visible?
Yes.
Okay, good. This is a book by a Japanese, giving 12 Japanese companies case histories of how a Kaizen is done. And I'll tell you how it is done. There are the first part is important, I'll show you. Manufacturing companies and marketing departments and financial services department. All three types of Kaizen is done. So there is 4 on manufacturing, 3 on marketing, and 1 or 2 on financial studies, financial services, and even telephone service companies. So that gives you an idea, number 1. And number 2, there are 6 or 7 steps of how a Kaizen is written. Now I'll just read the title and a copy of this book and the, how to write a Kaizen, I will tell you. First is introduction of the team and the quality circle, selection of the theme, classification on the need to achieve selected theme, then action plan, classification of the task, classification of the goal, planning of the recipe, examining the success story, and implementing likely success stories, checking the results, and standardization. इनमें से 10 पाया है जिनमें से काइजन कैसे करना और पहले कैसे सोचना, कौन सा सब्जेक्ट लेना, सोचना, पीछे आइडिया लिखना, पीछे इम्प्लीमेंट करना और उसका रिजल्ट नतीजा भी देखना है. तो ये पुस्तक जो है काइजन एडवांटेज, ये पुस्तक मैं मिस्टर म्हात्रे को भिजवा दूंगा और मैंने 10 पाया आपको जो बोला वो भी आपको अपना वो पुस्तक में लिखूंगा, उसका सेपरेट शीट. So this is something that is very, very important because it is obviously written by a Japanese company. So I'm sure it's going to have good examples and I will share that with you. And after that, you can now see, I'm thankful to all my wonderful friends in ACMA, of course. They have taught me these things and you can see how my people are working on it. First is, they want to know the theme. तो वो भी जैसे वो पुस्तक में है. Second, what is the problem? That you have to write it down. And what is before and after? पीछे they do 5-step analysis. कीर्ति तू क्यों लेट आया था? सर ऐसा ऐसा. ठीक है, वो कैसे हो गया? ऐसा ऐसा. ठीक है, वो 5 बार मुझे पूछेंगे जिनमें से अगली बार मैं लेट नहीं आऊंगा. मुझे डांटेंगे नहीं, पेनलाइज नहीं करेंगे, मुझे सिखाएंगे कीर्ति आप इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो तो आप काम में टाइम पे आ जाना. They teach you how to come on time by asking 5 reasons why were you late. पीछे root cause. So we have to go to the depth, कि क्या क्या है ऐसा. और पीछे number 7 after number 8 results. तो ये सब हो गए, लेकिन यहाँ देखो टॉप राइट में इनमें से हाँ, जो भी काइजन है, it should achieve, you see in the result area, either productivity, quality, cost, delivery, safety, morale and employee involvement. ये जो भी काइजन हम लिखते हैं, ये 1 2 3 7 अपना कॉजेज है या 7 डिपार्टमेंट है. तो जितने 7 डिपार्टमेंट की मेहनत इन्वॉल्वमेंट हो जाती है, दैट इज कंसिडर्ड फुल प्रूफ काइजन. सिर्फ नहीं कि सिर्फ प्रोडक्टिविटी वाला करना है कि क्वालिटी वाला, नहीं नहीं, all have to be impacted by the kaizen that we suggest. It must impact a change in productivity, quality, cost, delivery, safety, morale and employee involvement. Next. So this is an example of what we did in our company. I'll just read it to you. There has to be eliminating the chance of a component missing before cover crimping. क्योंकि ball bearing में कम से कम there are 13 parts. If one part is missing, the bearing is incomplete. So we do our best to check that all 13 parts are in the bearing, and then only the bearing is shipped out. So over here, there's a chance of some wave washer and collar missing. Okay. Then there are child parts are so and so, and manual process. Because we are doing manual processes, we may miss one step, may miss one sequence. इसमें 13 पार्ट्स में से एक पार्ट मिल गया नहीं गया तो अपना, और एक मशीन में वो अपना प्रोसेस नहीं किया तो फेलियर हो जाता है सच में. और दूसरा है, items are very small, so people may not pay attention to them as such. And then there is a manual operation as such. So we have to do many things, but in short, these are the steps taken by us to make sure that all parts are there. And if you see at the end, over here, only quality was involved in it. But it is important that quality is one of the key function in the company. And if you can catch it in the quality department, then other department will have less worry, because we are making sure that in the early stage, we have caught and ensured that all 13 parts are available as such. So it took us 22 days to implement this, and it has given us very good results. So that is an example of how Kaizen is done. Lekin, when I give you the book Kaizen Advantage, each case study is nearly about 8 pages. तो कितना in depth हम लोग सोचते हैं तो ही इतना अच्छा काम निकलेगा as such. Next, please. Okay. Now, this is a little bit on the heavy side, but even then, it's part of it. Over here, there is a hierarchy of the governing body to execute quality, cost, quantity, and delivery as such. So, there is Kaizen ke liye, there's a long range policy, there's a medium policy, medium term, there's a cross-functional policy, and there's even a departmental. So there is different layers of people who are thinking of not only Kaizen, but of the company's full strategy as such. And on the other side, it is who is thinking. If it's long-term, mostly it is the board of directors. And if it is annual policy, it will be the top management. If it is cross-functional, it will be mostly top managers and cross-functional. And if it is departmental, it is line management. इनमें ये लोग लॉन्ग टर्म भी सोचते हैं, मीडियम टर्म भी सोचते हैं और शॉर्ट टर्म भी सोचते हैं। और इनमें से करने के लिए टॉप मैनेजमेंट, हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट और सुपरवाइजर वो लोग भी इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं कि हमको कंपनी का क्वालिटी, कॉस्ट, डिलीवरी कैसे बढ़ाना है। नेक्स्ट, या दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ये क्रॉस फंक्शनल जो पहले किया था, वो हियर यू कैन सी दैट top management is responsible for strategy and planning, and administration is responsible for providing support and resources. So there is quantity, quality, cost delivery, and in which marketing, product planning, designing, production, and purchase all are involved in doing this, not only for Kaizen but QCDS. Next, please. This is very, very important because you can see on the extreme left, quality, cost, and quantity and delivery is the target we want to achieve on the left, but who will do it? So there is some production planning, there's some product design, there's product perception, purchasing, manufacturing, and sales. और क्या मिलेगा जब भी सब डिपार्टमेंट इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि हमको कंपनी का क्वालिटी, कॉस्ट और डिलीवरी बढ़ाना है। तो इनमें से प्रोडक्ट प्लानिंग भी आ जाते हैं, डिजाइनिंग टीम, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग टीम, परचेजिंग टीम और सेल्स टीम, सबकी इन्वॉल्वमेंट हो जाती है, तो ही हम लोग सब इकट्ठा होके कंपनी का क्वालिटी, कॉस्ट और डिलीवरी और शेड्यूल बढ़ाना है, तो ही हो सकता है। सच we have to work together as a team simultaneously. ऐसा नहीं कि हम मेरा डिपार्टमेंट काम करें, नहीं नहीं नहीं, हम लोग come down to the shop floor or come to the conference room or anywhere. All people have to be sitting together simultaneously and taking responsibility of what they will do to achieve. Or one more thing, even if I'm purchase, I can make a suggestion to marketing and finance how to improve their work also. It's not that I have to give improvement only to my purchase activity, because I can see if sales and marketing is having some difficulty, तो मैं वही कंपनी में 5 साल से काम करता हूँ, तो सिर्फ परचेसिंग का काम नहीं सोचता हूँ, वो मीटिंग में किसी ने मुझे सेल्स और मार्केटिंग की तकलीफ बता दी है, तो मैं भी वहां सजेशन दे सकता हूँ। सच नेक्स्ट, right, and this is of course this is going to be a bigger this thing. I have put 2 or 3 pencil slide because I thought, and I still think, there is research, design, production and sales. That is one circle looking at it, but the reverse circle is sales and research and design and production, because sales people know that there is something needed in the market or there is something improvement needed in the existing product. So they can give an idea to research, and research will discuss with the design, and then they will produce it. And sometimes research says that we are going for mobility. So mobility has many, many dimensions. Why we think only of car mobility? Why not think of tractors? Why not think of trailer? And why not of rickshaw? So you can also have electric mobility in these areas also, as said. So it is multi-dimensional role. And if you see, different departments are working cross-functional as such. तो इनमें से सेल्स और रिसर्च और डिजाइन, प्रोडक्शन सब इकट्ठा होके काम करते हैं। नेक्स्ट, this is very important. See the title, product development at an ideal company, efficiency of CFT team for new product development, showing benefits in time and improvement. Now, if you see the chart in stage 0, it is idea development. So that means marketing has spent nearly 75% of its time for idea development. But parallelly, when design development comes in, they are spending nearly 40% of their time. And then there is a model development, trials, and final, in which production team comes in. So new product development is not the baby of any individual department. Everybody is playing a role. Because if you see, when 50% stage of marketing has already reached, engineering and production are already doing the early stages of the exercise as such. And when marketing reaches the full level of 100%, by that time, production has reached close to 80% of its full cycle as such. तो ये यहाँ जो है नया प्रोडक्ट बनाने के लिए मार्केटिंग, इंजीनियरिंग और प्रोडक्शन तीन इकट्ठा करके ये नई आइटम बनाती हैं, जिनमें से मार्केटिंग वाले पहले जाता है, मेहनत करके लिए कुछ नया प्रोडक्ट सोचता है, लेकिन इंजीनियरिंग वाले और प्रोडक्शन जल्दी सोच सकते हैं कि भाई साहब को नई आइटम चाहिए तो मेरा मशीन को मुझे रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा, और इंजीनियरिंग बोला कि भाई मुझे कुछ सॉफ्टवेयर चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ सब कुछ साइमल्टेनियसली सोचेंगे, तो एक नई आइटम बनाने के लिए तीन का हाथ इकट्ठा हो जाता है सच. Next please. Okay, now this is an example of total quality control at Komatsu as such. You can see that there is so many layers of organization which is on the extreme left, and on the extreme right there are departmental responsibilities and administration. This is a little bit heavy for us because we have to reach the first this page. Okay, maybe I can't say it, but assume, right, let's say, fine. This would be maybe this roughly 110th or 120th page of the book as such. But we must first execute the first 40 pages, then we can become robust for achieving to this stage as such. Next, please. Cross-functional, I gave you examples of that, so we can skip this slide. Next, please. Okay, this is very important because see the difference between Kaizen and innovation. Japanese are very strong in Kaizen, very weak in innovation. West, very weak in Kaizen and very strong in innovation. Lekin, if you see today, Japanese products, they are having very, very large market share of all the things. American cars are not seen in India at all, but Japan has 35% of the Japanese market. Why is it? Despite having very weak innovation, why does America have 35% Japanese cars? Because they realized that there are certain features, benefits, products, which American doesn't always want a big car. Maybe for his third car, he can have something like a Honda Amaze, or he can have something like a Toyota, what to say, I forgot the name. So Americans always want big cars. So they thought कि मारुति तो वहाँ नहीं चलेगी, लेकिन Honda Amaze और टोयोटा की जो बड़ी गाड़ी होगा, होंडा की गाड़ी, वो सब वहाँ है. तो अमेरिका में 35% गाड़ियों जापानीज है, और वो भी वो जापान में अमेरिका में बनती है. होंडा, टोयोटा, निसान, ये सब तीन कंपनी को कम से कम 12 फैक्ट्रीज अमेरिका में है. और यूरोप में भी उन लोग ने 24 फैक्ट्री लगाई है। इनोवेशन उनका नहीं है तो भी उनका मार्केट शेयर 35% तो है। और देयर इज इन जापान देयर इज not more than 0.25% of American and European cars put together in Japan. Can you just think of that? 0.25% of Japanese cars are American and European put together. जापान में सिर्फ 0.25%, मतलब 1% से भी कम, 0.25% की गाड़ियां जापान में अमेरिका और यूरोप से आई है। इनमें से एक चीज है, जापानीज आदमी वो उनकी सोसाइटी में मानते हैं कि जो मेजे निकाल देंगी। इनकी वजह से जापान के आदमी फॉरेन प्रोडक्ट कभी भी नहीं लेते हैं, कभी भी। और जो लेते हैं वो सोसाइटी से वो उन लोग निकाल दिया, मतलब उनके साथ उनकी फैमिली, उनके बच्चे ऑफिस में कोई काम बात नहीं करेगा और उनके बच्चे को स्कूल में उसके साथ भी बात नहीं करेगी। इनकी वजह से सब बोलते हैं कि भाई उनकी प्रोडक्ट अच्छी नहीं है, हम हमारी देसी प्रोडक्ट लेंगे। तो जापान में 99% टीवी, फ्रिज, कार, एसी सिर्फ जापान की बिक्री हो जाती है, क्योंकि जापानीज आदमी बोलेगा मैं जापानीज हूं और मैं सिर्फ जापानीज प्रोडक्ट लूंगा। सच। चलो नेक्स्ट। हाँ, ये जो है ये अनबिलीवेबल स्टेटमेंट है। ह्यूलेट पैकर्ड आज एचपी का जो प्रिंटर अपना देश में चलता है ये तो अमेरिकन है, लेकिन जापान की कंपनी योगोकावा उसने ह्यूलेट पैकर्ड से जॉइंट वेंचर किया है। एंड योगोकावा ने ये अमेरिकन को इतना सिखाया है, तो 8 साल के बाद योगोकावा डैश ह्यूलेट पैकर्ड का मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर है जापानीज। वो 4 साल के लिए अमेरिका गया था उनको काइजन दिखाने के लिए। तो मैं ये स्टेज में अभी स्टॉप करूंगा, क्योंकि एक पूरा सर्कल हो गया है। ह्यूलेट पैकर्ड के आदमी वो जापान गए, उन लोग ने वहां एक फैक्ट्री लगाई, जापान के आदमी योगोकावा ने सब कुछ सीख लिया। पीछे वो लोग वापस अमेरिका गए टू टीच ह्यूलेट पैकर्ड काइजन and Japanese manufacturing practices. So this is 360-degree circle. कहाँ से शुरू हुआ और कहाँ नतीजा वापस एंड कैसे हुआ ऐसा। चलो, so I will now close the session and 15 minutes the floor is open. So Mr. Matre and Gaude, please, Gaude, open the floor.
Yes, anyone who is willing can please raise their hand or can directly come with the questions or queries.
कीर्ति भाई, प्रशांत हियर।
Yes.
वैसे क्वेरीज नहीं है, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स है कि द वे यू हैव डिलीवर्ड इट इज रियली वंडरफुल, है ना। अभी क्वेश्चन आंसर में मैं इतना पूछना चाहूंगा कि ये किस तरह से इसको कंपनी में हर जगह पहुंचा दे हम लोग, है ना। कैसे आपने जो किया है
Yeah, I would say कि हमें सबके लिए I would give the same idea. Let us be very, very patient. I have 2 or 3 other books. We should learn it right at the top and middle management jointly. about the principles which I have talked in the early part of the book. इनमें से एक एडवांटेज क्या मिलेगा, जब भी टॉप मैनेजमेंट और मिडिल मैनेजमेंट साथ में ही बैठेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली पूछना देना वही हो जाएगा। पीछे मिडिल मैनेजमेंट को बोलेंगे कि भाई आप सुपरवाइजर को सिखाओ कि हम लोग ने क्या भी बोला, और सुपरवाइजर वर्कर को भी सिखाएंगे। तो इनमें से क्या है, सबको जब भी मालूम होगा कि पहले सीखना है और पीछे करना है, तो सबका टेंशन कम हो जाएगा। क्योंकि सीखने के लिए जब भी हम लोग बच्चे थे, क्योंकि वो क्रेडल में से हाउ वी हैव स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग and how we have got out of the cradle and started catching a toy and catching somebody's hand and walking, it is a long journey. So when top management decides that we want to learn and then deploy, it gives a good signal to everybody. And it can be about 2 months just learning the top 3 pages which I told you. I'll tell you, it is about hierarchy, it is about job functions, and it is how to do Kaizen. Once we talk only of this, then people will get, the message will filter down. And after that, we ask what is called suggestion bank. People can write anything and everything, but it is put in the bank. And supervisor has to approve it. Supervisor approves, then middle management must say, very simple, does it achieve productivity? PQCDSEM. ये अपना, sorry to say, लेकिन I don't feel shy about it, ये मेरे लिए भगवत गीता है। भाई साहब, कीर्ति तू जो भी बोल रहा है उनमें से कंपनी का प्रोडक्टिविटी या क्वालिटी या कॉस्ट या डिलीवरी या सेफ्टी या मोरल या एम्प्लॉई, इनमें से कुछ नया इंप्रूवमेंट होने वाला है, तो मेरा बॉस बोलेगा, कीर्ति आप अच्छा आदमी हो, आपके काइजन में सिर्फ 2 पॉइंट है, लेकिन जो आप 7 पॉइंट थोड़ा 2 दिन के बाद लेके आएंगे तो अच्छा है। और आज शाम को आप मेरे साथ मिलना 6 बजे, आप घर मत जाना, अपन ऑफिस में बैठेंगे कि आपका 2 जो है इनमें से मैं आपको हेल्प करूंगा कि नंबर 3 और 4 कैसे ऐड कर। तो जब हो गया ना, तो काइजन की तैयारी शुरू हो जाएगी। So that time we will be ready as such. So I hope I've answered your question, Prashant.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Somebody from the south, somebody from the west, and anybody, the floor is open, because unless we don't get questions, this is a one-way dialogue, but a dialogue is supposed to be daya. Matlab, aya aur gaya. That is the meaning of dialogue, तो शॉप में, फ्लोर में से कुछ सोचना चाहिए, बोलना चाहिए।
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. I am Sanjay Desmane from Maharashtra.
Yes. Please. Sanjay, go ahead. You can talk Hindi, Gujarati, and English. 3 languages allowed.
हाँ ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम। तो जैसे कि आपने कहा, लेकिन मैंने तो पहले से ही सुना है, अभी 30 साल से इंडस्ट्री में हूँ, लेकिन मेरा कहना ऐसा है कि हमारे एरिया में स्किल्ड वर्कर मिलते नहीं है। थोड़ा सा स्किल डेवलप हो गया तो दूसरी जगह पे चले जाते हैं और अननेसेसरी अनड्यू डिमांड भी करते हैं। तो उनको सिखाना, ऐसा रेडी अगर स्किल डेवलपर अगर मिलेंगे तो ठीक होता है। दूसरी बात ऐसी है हमारे यहाँ पर कि वैसे तो मेरा एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट में मेरा इंडस्ट्री है उस्मानाबाद में, हम देखते हैं तो ये जो व्यसनाधीन होते हैं बहुत सारे, तो उनकी कंटिन्यूटी भी होती नहीं है। हमें वर्कर्स रिटेन करने में ज्यादा एनर्जी लगती है फिलहाल। और अभी तो जो वर्कर्स यूपी बिहार वाले हैं वो तो सब चले गए, तो उनको भी रिटेन करने के लिए भी बहुत स्ट्रगलिंग हो रहा है। तो इसके लिए कुछ ऐसी गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसी की जो मनरेगा है बाकी है, इसके लिए लघु उद्योग भारती के थ्रू हमने रखा है उनके सामने कि उनको ऐसा करो कि अगर काम करेंगे तो ही आपका
हाँ हेलो
एक चीज रखी है, तो आप इसके बारे में थोड़ा रिटेन करने के लिए और स्किल्ड वर्कर को कैसा अवेलेबल करेंगे उसके बारे में बताएंगे।
हाँ संजय जी, आपका प्रश्न 2 प्रश्न है और मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि एक्चुअली लास्ट सेशन जो था उनमें से एक सेशन जो था टोटल एम्प्लॉय इन्वॉल्वमेंट, तो उसका प्रेजेंटेशन आपको जो नहीं मिला है, तो उनमें से क्या है कि टोटल एम्प्लॉय इन्वॉल्वमेंट में हमारी कंपनी में स्पोर्ट्स का प्रोग्राम चल रहा है, हम लोग थोड़े कंपटीशन करते हैं, पीछे हेल्थ केयर चेकअप, पीछे ट्री प्लांटेशन, पीछे अपना ड्रामा, चिल्ड्रन और बच्चे लोग का भी ड्रामा हो जाता है, पेंटिंग कंपटीशन। तो इनमें से मुझे मालूम है कि ये आदमी टिकने नहीं वाले हैं, लेकिन मेरी चाहत है कि वो 4 महीना टिकने की वजह से ये सब हम करेंगे, वो 8 महीना भी टिका है ना, जिनमें से वो 4 महीने के लिए आपने एक हेल्थ चेकअप किया, एक कंपटीशन किया, एक ड्रामा किया और एक स्पोर्ट्स कंपटीशन, तो ये 3 चीज किया और वो 8 महीना भी टिका है ना, तो मैं सोचूंगा कि भाई आप गुरु बन गए होगा। और ये हम ओपनली कहते हैं, गुजराती आदमी बोलते हैं नहीं 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 ये खर्चा नहीं करेगा, मेरी कंपनी डूब जाएगी। मेरी तरफ से मैं सबको माफ मांगता हूं, आप इन्वेस्ट आदमी में और पीपल में करेंगे तो आपको इतना बेनिफिट मिलेगा, आपकी कंपनी के आदमी आपके साथ टिकेंगे।
ओके, थैंक यू।
I would like to mention, Kirti bhai. Hello.
Please.
Mr. The gentleman name, Mr. Shah was there, no? Sanjay.
Yeah.
Mr. Sanjay, I will send you. Yeah, I will send you the link of the YouTube. We have already uploaded that full session of employment management on YouTube, and also we will give you a link which is also available on our website. Acha, this is the first. Secondly, okay, that's all. So if you are able,
the second one is ये अपना see multi skilling is one, और हमारी चीज जो है जितनी प्रोसेस हम सिंप्लीफाई कर सकेंगे ना तो बहुत अच्छा रह जाएगा। क्योंकि मैंने आपको वो दिखाया कि अपना बेरिंग असेंबल करने के लिए 13 पीस है, तो इनको जितना सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं तो क्या है, स्किल्ड आदमी की जरूरत नहीं है, अनस्किल्ड को भी कर सकते हैं। और आपने जो कहा है देयर इज अ सब्जेक्ट कॉल्ड डी स्किलिंग, मैं थोड़ा होमवर्क करता हूं और थोड़ा राइट अप मुझे मिल सकता है, तो डेफिनेटली डी स्किलिंग कैसे करना का है, मैं थोड़ा अपना सर्च मिस्टर मात्रे को भिजवा दूंगा। नेक्स्ट प्लीज।
okay, Kirti bhai.
Yeah. Okay, so
okay, Mr. Sanjay, I received your email. I have noted down, and I will send you the details. You can also note that we have already made a lot of correspondence communication with the government of India when lockdown was called last year, first wave of corona. and we have made a lot of representation, and we have got a very good response. This all correspondence communication is uploaded on our website under the communication with government topic, I mean press. Also, we have given a various checklist of for each machine, whereby you can note down after a prolonged stop and after a prolonged start what precautions and what settings and I mean attention you have to take care while restarting and restopping the machine due to prolonged stop and prolonged start during COVID. So that information also it can be helpful to you. All types of machines in textile, winding, warping, sizing, looms, everything. We have taken guidance from renowned and recognized machine manufacturers, and we have uploaded all these checklists on the website.
Okay, I will say I can see there is Ravi over here, there is Thiru, and there is Vital. So can I hear some questions from three of you, please? Any questions?
Sir, at present nothing, sir.
All right. Well, nothing is very bad because even from a Kaizen perspective, we are not doing Kaizen. Whenever we say nothing, then we are not doing Kaizen. You have to apply whatever you can, you know. But the floor is open. You're free. Everybody is free to, you know, say whatever they want as such. But involvement will be better as such. You know?
Okay.
Well, I think we still have another 1 or 2 minutes more. So because I took 5 minutes out, so I suggest that, you know, we'll keep it open for another 2-3 minutes. And then if it's after 2 minutes and 3 minutes, rather, if nothing is there, obviously we will wind up. And then we will meet on the 2nd of May.
Kirti, can I mention something with your kind permission?
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah.
Definitely. Yes.
See, Kirti, we can have a special session for this effect of Corona or lockdown. How lean will be helpful to our members in this situation.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Further, many members were asking me because see, these series are concentrating on technological aspects.
Correct.
Matriji, what about our marketing aspects? Because see, during what I have mentioned previously in the beginning, in my introductory speech, we have many, more than 18 to 20 webinars last year.
Correct.
And during those 7, 8, I think 10 to 12 webinars were based on marketing aspects. Means there was a scope for members to opportunity and platform for marketing. Now, what I have already convinced them, this is a series for technological development because it is under BK Mehta Memorial Lecture Series. And BK Mehta is always behind the improvement of the technology and innovation. Now, we can also have a session where we can invite a big industrialists who have implemented this lean and who are making a lot of profits. You know, how they can convert the business orientation and business advantage they have got through lean. So their case study or their presentation or their bites for somewhere 10 minutes, 15 minutes may be helpful to our members. Means this is my suggestion. If we can go ahead.
I think it's perfectly all right. We have one session coming up on the third Wednesday in May. So everybody will get enough time. And since this is related to textile machinery, I'm really not very much knowledgeable about this. So I think, some of the past precedents who are in the room, they can bring in the expert and definitely we can have a session. I don't say no for 30 minutes. Session can be held up. Perfectly all right, But I would like some of the past precedents to bring in some of the stalwarts because I don't know any of the automotive guys who are doing this. Parallelly, I will search some of them. But again, we would have to look at whatever the relations and customer relationship which was given in the earlier part. I would say we need to go back to that webinar, and whatever that lady Mohini had given, I would say everybody should read that book once again. It was 10 slides, very, very helpful. And if we start doing that first and then calling for the marketing expert, then I think it's in the right direction. Otherwise, if we are only asking for experts to come on the floor and not doing any of our homework, I think it is a misfiring. Now that Mohini Kelkar's program is available with everybody, my suggestion would be, why doesn't everybody write some question related to the slide saying, help me on this, help me on this, help me on this? Because her slide, I know her personally very well. I have worked with her. We worked on one project together and they did amazing work for us, amazing. Now, if we are not able to take advantage of the slide that she has given and still asking us third expert to come, then again, we are missing the boat. So I would tell all my members, please read Mohini's slide and raise every question that you have. Based on that, I will get Mohini or some other person to come and give a guidance as such. Because
Kirti, I think
yeah,
I was mentioning something different, and which I would like to once again repeat. See, Mohini madam has done an excellent presentation, and she has she has not implemented. She has given a service to the customers. Hello.
Yeah, okay.
So the customers who are in textile user industry, what I am saying.
Yes, correct.
We are from supply industry. Those from user industry who has implemented what Mr. Joseph was. What Mr. Joseph was telling of Tuzler.
Correct.
We should go to factory visit and all. So those user industry should come.
Understood. Okay, I understood that. And what I will do is I will speak to Joseph and I'll speak to a few other people, because what we are asking is people like, say, Century Mills or Bombay Dyeing Mills, something like that.
I will also help on this. 2-3 names I will send it to you. You can take a final decision.
No. What I will do is I will have an interaction with them, and 1 or 2 of our past president, I will ask them to join, and let's listen to the wisdom of these people, and we'll say, okay, request you to come and be a speaker for us. So please give me those names. I'll be too happy to talk to them.
Sure.
All right. So I would still say that, friends, please go back, read the seminar of customer relationship and total employee involvement in 1S, and now Kaizen. Do read all of them. It is the ideas and thoughts that can come out of the printed material distributed to you. That's where we can learn how to be implementing something or the other as such. So it's very important that as they say, do not forget your roots. Our roots started with the previous 2 seminars, customer relationship, 1S, total employee involvement. Read that and come up with some questions. We have a meeting on the 2nd of May. It's an open house. All of you are invited. We will be waiting 45 minutes just to listen from you. And then we will have another session on the 3rd week of Wednesday, where I will get some industry expert to talk about Kaizen implementation, the journey, because Sundaram and Brake Linings, they would have taken nearly 5 years to do Kaizen as such. So I'll ask them, what was your first year, second year, third year, how Kaizen has evolved over 5 years over there as such. So from my side, I'm thankful to all of you for listening, and we will continue to meet here henceforth on the 1st and the 3rd Wednesday of every month as such. Thank you very much.
Yeah, President would like to conclude, or shall I thank President?
Yeah,
Vijan
it's open. Yeah.
Vijan bhai? Okay, friends, we are really thankful to you again. Today we had more than 37 members viewing our session. And we, as said, Kirti bhai, we will meet again on 2nd May for open session to all with all the queries and doubts and questions. And thereafter we will have the third Wednesday. Third
Correct.
Wednesday. It may be in the 3rd week or 4th week, because this time it is a 4th week. 3rd Wednesday has come, so it will be a 3rd Wednesday. We will have our 5th webinar under BK Mehta Memorial Lecture Series. Thank you once again, and thank you very much for sparing your valuable time. And thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kirti ji.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for your time and patience.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Welcome.